Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce the famous Italian car, or should we say brand, which is in fact a surname or a family name, and it's pronounced Ferrari. 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 Alright, so let's analyze it a little bit. Notice that there is a strong distinction between the double R and the single R. So to give you some examples, this is the correct one. Ferrari. This would be wrong in the sense that I'm pronouncing all R's as if they were single. Ferrari. Ferrari. That's wrong. But also pronouncing all the R's as if they were double would be incorrect. Ferrari. Ferrari. No one says it that way. So, when you have double R, it's a stronger trill of your R, fully showing off your rolled R's. But when it's a single R, it's still trilled, but it's a much shorter and faster sound. R, 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 as opposed to r. So, Ferrari. Ferrari. Now go out and buy one. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask.